Technology can advance your business, but finding the right software partner can be intimidating. You need a skilled team to help you innovate and stay ahead. At APAX, we help your business succeed by designing custom technology tools you need to win. We work closely with teams to build the systems they need. From custom web applications to mobile applications, APAX delivers the innovation to set your business apart. From design to architecture, development, quality assurance, and continuous integration, APAX takes care of the complex back-end technology so you can focus on your core business. We help you save time and quickly build, integrate, and deploy your project throughout our contract-free partnership. With a decade-long success record, we've developed software for large organizations, such as the University of Kentucky, Keeneland Association, and the Lexington-Fayette Urban County Government, to name a few. In fact, 80% of our customers are referrals. We're really good at what we do, and others think so too. Bring us your vision and we'll make it happen. Contact us now to learn more.